Morning all. So where are we at now then? Oh yeah. Filler. I hate filler with every ion in my body, and it probably shows. But unfortunately, there's got to be a little bit of it done. Stripping the paint off of this thing was quick. Prepping the goddamn thing up for paint is another mission altogether. I've been scrubbing away at that until my thumbs are raw. Shake the sill up a bit. That was a little curved ball in there. I had to rebuild the bottom edge of the spinner wheel well. Sealed it all up, keep the water out. You might notice something, or the lack of. I got the thing running last night. And there it is, with about 2 dozen faults that weren't there before it blew the engine up. So we'll just put that on the list then. Meanwhile, the cat is torturing a rat. And I've got dinner from last night. This is actually called a cowpat. Now if you're from the UK and you've got a farmer's accent like what I've got, me babber, a cowpat normally comes out of a cow's ass. This is a different kind of cowpat, and I'm about to stuff it in my face.